There are three things I would never do with my assets as an estate planning and asset protection business attorney. One, I would never own them in my own name. Okay, if I have a rental property and it's in my own name and something happens to the tenant, they're going to sue the owner. That means they're going to sue me and go after all my other assets, right? So I want to hold as many assets as I can in an LLC. Maybe that LLC is owned by a trust. That's the biggest thing. Don't own things in your own name. An LLC can protect your assets in multiple different ways. Number two, do not leave assets to your children outright, because leaving things outright is a recipe for disaster. So you want to make sure that you have an estate plan that is going to hold that in trust for their benefit and make sure that it's not getting wasted. And number three, with my assets, a lot of assets don't fall into your estate, whether they're an IRA or a bank account. Instead, what they have is beneficiary designations. And so one of the things that I would never do with my assets is have assets that do not have up-to-date beneficiary designations that are going to funnel those assets into my estate plan as needed. So those are three things that I would never do with my assets.